This new Feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to export selected models as IFC. Now you can pick which model you want to export and the workflow is faster. The first objective of this video is to export a crawler crane to IFC. Second is to export a building to IFC. Here we have a crawler crane, which is from SketchUp. So we want to export this to IFC. First step is to click the Fuzor project panel. Then here at the bottom, select IFC. Next step, click Export. And here is a list of all the loaded objects. Now in 2024, you can select which model you want to export to IFC. So let's scroll down to the last. We can unselect all and only select the crawler crane. Then click Export. Rename it to Crawler Crane. Then click Save. Open the folder again, and the IFC file is saved here. Take note that you cannot export construction equipment from the Fuzor library. Last objective is to export a building to IFC. Let's say we want to export this building. Go to the Fuzor project panel, select IFC, click Export, unselect all and only select the building, then click Export, rename it and save on your folder. Go back to your folder and the IFC file is saved here. Thank you for watching the video.